Hope you guys are ready to get wet. We're going to have a good adventure today. Sun's out, bright and sunny, and I think this river is super clear. I can't believe it. It'll just take me a few minutes to get ready. I have to put my hood on and stuff because the water's getting pretty cold this time of year. Hey, how you like my new gadget? Pretty slick? A company sent me some GoPro accessories to see if I wanted, if I liked them or not. And they had this little thing in there. I don't know if it's supposed to be a wrist strap, but I think it's going to be awesome for videos. I haven't tried it yet. I just got these things this morning, so. Alright, well let's go ahead and get ready and go in the water. What do you say? I'm ready. Well, I've been at it about an hour or so and I only have a couple of pairs of sunglasses. But right below me in about 6 feet, well, probably about 8 feet of water, there's an iPhone. It looks like it's just in a life-proof case though, so it'll be flooded. Yeah, it's flooded. I can almost guarantee it. Let's go down and grab it. Hold your pearls. My backpack got caught on the rock behind me and kind of held me up, but we got down to it. I'm pretty sure this one's going to be flooded. What do you think? Yeah, it is. Oh well, at least we found an iPhone. I see another iPhone, but it doesn't look like it's in a bag. It's right down there. Yep, another iPhone. It is amazing how many... No, that's not an iPhone. So it's amazing how many iPhones I find out here, but that's not... Well, I don't know what that thing is. You guys will have to tell me. Well, it's broken and flooded, I know that much. Well, I imagine you saw that phone as well. I couldn't quite get down to it, and I couldn't grab a hold of any rocks to pull myself onto the bottom. But we're going to try again. It's right behind me. I can stand up on this rock. Oh, okay. I'm going to try to just use the GoPro this time. This phone looks kind of wet. I'd say it's not a lot of water in there, but it's definitely a little bit, I would think. So we're almost back to where we started, and I see probably what is the most interesting find of the day, although I haven't looked at it yet. Hold your breath. Well, it's not very dry. There's a wallet in there and some keys. We'll take it apart and see what that's all about. I'm not sure what that thing is. Alright, let's throw it in her bag. For now. We'll be getting out in about 10 minutes and we'll look at the stuff and see what's in there. Alright, so you're ready to take a look at the goodies from today. I hope you had a good time with me. I sure did. We should be able to get out here on the river a few more times. The further south we go, of course, the longer the season we can make it. Look at all the goodies we found today. We got 3 phones. Unfortunately, this phone that was in this bag is definitely soaked or flooded. This is a cheap bag, doesn't have any brand name on it, and it just kind of fell apart when I went to unhook it and stuff, so that's what happened to that. We had a bunch of sunglasses too, to include the Ray-Bans, if they're the real deal. And I wanted to show you this wallet over here. It's kind of funny. I'm kind of taking it apart to see what was in. I don't know what this is. I imagine it looks like some type of a speaker, I guess. I don't know. Never seen anything like it. iPhone. Some keys with it. We haven't looked in there yet, but this is why I wanted to film this. They got like a bunch of socks. I think there's a phone in here. I don't know why they would put it in a bunch of socks. And I didn't keep it dry, that's for sure. That's funny, isn't it? Hey, come on, guy. Alright, I'm going to have to put the camera down for just a minute. I have the phone out of the socks, and it is an iPhone in an OtterBox. I can almost guarantee that's going to be flooded, because I don't think the OtterBox is a waterproof, so that's too bad. Alright, got 4 phones and a wallet. Wonder what's in the wallet. Oh, look at that cash. Wow. Somebody's loaded. We're not going to go through the IDs. I'll do that on my own and get the wallet back to the guy. But we might as well count the cash while we're here. Might as well. What do you think? It's been in the water a while. You can see that they're starting to fade. Alright, what do we have? We have a 20. If I can get them apart. Ooh, bunch of 20s. Let's see. 120. 40. It's hard to do with one hand. Sorry it's taking so long. 60. Ah, a bunch of ones, man. Alright, so we got about, looks like about $70 probably. I'll go ahead and spread everything out here and take a good picture for the thumbnail on the video. Like I said, I'll go through the IDs when I get home, and we'll get all this money back to the guy. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was fun. It was a good time. It really was. Alright, we'll see you on the next one, I hope.